For people transitioning to paleo, you will find the recipes we have for you today so easy to prepare. And for the people who have tried to switch to paleo but failed, for one reason or another, check out these recipes and see how you can give paleo another try. I have been doing paleo for 5 years now, and my journey has been incredible. It took me about 2 months before I saw positive changes in my body. And 5 years later, I am still at it, reaping the benefits of this lifestyle: better appetite management, amazing blood work, muscle growth, remarkable energy levels, better sleep, and awesome mental health. I am happy to say I wouldn't do it any other way. And I am passionate about this lifestyle because I have seen and experienced its benefits. And so can you. Welcome, my friends. I'm here with another video to share some easy recipes you can try at home so you may live a paleo lifestyle. Also, click on the link in the description of this video to access your free 1-day keto-friendly meal plan. This is Gerald, your health coach and chef. Let's begin. One way we can be convinced to switch products is to sample them. Right, champ? So, to help you switch to paleo or give it another try for those who have tried but didn't stick with it, these recipes will help you reconsider. Some people think it will be a lot of trouble to switch, a lot of changes to make, expensive to transition to, inconvenient and unsustainable, especially with a westernized family palate. Don't worry, I'll show you how to switch smoothly in another video. Watch out for it. But in the meantime, why don't you dip your feet in just a little bit and try these recipes. See how you like them. Drop us a line in the comments, okay? So if you're on a keto or any low-carb diet, let us know in the comments below as well. Share your experience and tell us how your lifestyle is working for you. In other videos, we have showed you how to cook keto meals using a slow cooker. Today, we will show you another slow cooker recipe: pork pot roast. Pork pot roasts are usually cooked in the oven, but this cooking variation will give you pork pot roast with a different twist. The apple cider vinegar and tomatoes will work wonders for the meat, giving you a melt-in-your-mouth sensation. The ingredients: 3 pounds boneless pork loin roast, but you may use any bone-in roast. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 thinly sliced onion, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1½ cups of water or homemade pork broth, 1 14-ounce can of whole tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, and salt and pepper. The procedure. Step 1. Rub salt and pepper on all sides of your pork roast. Some people use chili spices to rub their pork roast as well. Others use sweet spices. But let's do the basics for now. Salt and pepper will do just fine. You may do your own spin on it as you become more familiar with the recipe. Step 2. Over medium heat, sear the pork roast in preheated coconut oil. Do it on all sides of the meat until golden brown, about 3 minutes per side. This searing process is used to seal the juices into the meat. Remove from the pan and continue searing all remaining pork roast, adding more oil as necessary, and then place it in the slow cooker. Step 3. In the same skillet used to sear the pork, add the minced garlic, thinly sliced onion, coriander, chili powder, and cumin. Stir all ingredients to combine well, scraping off the brown bits of meat from the pan. Those crispy meat bits add flavor and texture to your dish. Step 4. Add the apple cider vinegar to the skillet and allow to boil. Continue cooking until the liquid is reduced. Step 5. Next, Add the water or the broth to the skillet. Use a wooden spoon to scrape off the drippings from the pan into the sauce, and pour the thick sauce into the slow cooker with the pork roast. Step 6. Toss all the ingredients of your canned whole tomatoes into the slow cooker with the pork roast, and smash the tomatoes until well blended into the sauce. Step 7. Add the bay leaves and season with salt and pepper once more according to taste. Step 8. Set the slow cooker to low and cook for about 8 hours. Check the meat texture. Once the meat pulls easily apart and is not too pink in the center, it is ready. Step 9. Remove the bay leaves, cut the pork roast into thick slices, place on plates, and pour sauce over the meat before serving. Enjoy! Now for your side dish. What is the best side dish for pork roast and is not an original American recipe? Coleslaw. Yes, coleslaw. Did you know coleslaw has its roots in 1st century Rome? And originally, shredded cabbage is eaten with briny broth, oil, and chopped hard eggs. Today, broth and oil will be replaced with mayonnaise. Why am I saying this? Because our next recipe is a paleo coleslaw. Romans would have enjoyed it better with mayonnaise, I must say. For this recipe, we will use homemade paleo mayonnaise. Most store-bought mayo contains soy oil and sugar, neither of which are part of a paleo lifestyle. Let's do the mayonnaise first. Here are the ingredients. 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/2 cup coconut oil, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure. In a blender or food processor, add the yolks, mustard, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Start the blender or food processor on low while very, very slowly pouring the oil. It is important to pour the oil slowly because this way you will create an emulsion. As the oil is added, you will create the mayonnaise that will start to thicken. You may now add the oil faster. When all the oil is added and the mayonnaise is thick, add in the rest of the lemon juice. Stop the blender for a minute to taste your mayonnaise. You may add salt and pepper according to your taste. Now that you've made your mayonnaise, set it aside for a minute while you prepare your coleslaw. We are making a fruity twist to the coleslaw here, and here are the ingredients. 1 head of green cabbage, rinsed well and sliced very thinly, but you may use red cabbage variety to add color to your salad. 1 cup of diced red grapes, 1 cup diced medium apple, 1 large shredded carrot, 2 cups fresh pineapple diced, 1 cup diced mandarin oranges, 1/4 cup homemade mayonnaise. The procedure is easy and straightforward. Combine all the ingredients in a large bowl and let it chill in your fridge for an hour before serving. How easy can it get, right? If you are thinking about changing the fruits in your coleslaw, by all means go ahead. Here are some other paleo-friendly fruits you can choose from. Citrus, berries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, bananas, kiwi, grapes, peaches, and all melons including watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. Now, here is a perfect nightcap, a healthy, decadent-tasting hot chocolate recipe. You will enjoy all the goodness of a creamy, sweet, chocolatey hot cocoa without the guilt. Here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of canned light coconut milk, 1 1/2 cups unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a pinch of sea salt. Here's the procedure. Step 1. Combine all the ingredients in a small saucepan and place over medium to low heat. Whisk vigorously to mix well and dissolve any lumps of the cocoa. Do not let the hot chocolate boil over because you will run the risk of burning the almond milk. This will ruin the taste of your drink. Just let the mixture get warm in the pot for about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Once the hot chocolate mixture is hot, remove from heat and pour into your cups or coffee mugs. Step 4. Top with dairy-free whipped cream, dark chocolate shavings, or dust with cocoa powder on top. And there you have it. 3 recipes you can try using easy-to-find ingredients in any supermarket. Will you try them and let us know how you did? And if you like the recipes? Do you have any dietary trends or questions you want us to feature? Drop us a line in the comments below. We love reviews. We love hearing your stories. If you like this video, please share it with people you think will benefit from it. If you have any recipe suggestions or questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. We will come up with more recipes in our next videos, and we hope this video has encouraged you to take those baby paleo steps and create a new, healthy lifestyle. Also, click the link in the description for your one-day keto-friendly meal plan. Then, hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. And watch this next playlist for great ideas about how you can quit sugar for good.